Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about input and output in Python with simple examples. If you are a beginner, this is one of the most important topics to understand. So let's get started. So let us understand first what is input in Python. Input means taking data from the user. See, sometimes we want the user to enter name, age, number or any kind of information to do some kind of operations in the program. In Python, we use the input function to take input from the user. Now let us understand what is output in Python. See, output means displaying the data to the user. In Python, we use the print function to display any kind of information or data. We can print text, numbers, variables, results. So, let us understand both input and output in Python with a simple example. So, let's go to VS Code and understand this. So we are here in the Visual Studio Code. First we have to create a file. So let's create a Python file. Here I am giving the name as in out ex.py input output example in Python. As I told you before, we are using input function to take input from the user. Asking here the user to enter their name. So name equal to input in bracket double quote enter your name. To display any kind of result or output in Python, we use print function to display the result, the output. So here I am writing print hello comma name. What it will print? Let's see. First save this control plus S, then run the code. So here in terminal, as you can see, it asking us to enter our name. So my name is Lucky, so I'm entering here Lucky, and our output is hello Lucky. By this example, I hope you guys understand how to take input from the user and how to show the result or output in Python. Every program works in three steps. First, take input from the user. Second, process the data. And third, show the output. For example, here we are checking whether a person is eligible for vote or not. So, we are taking a variable age which, which takes the input as integer numbers. So, one more thing, in whatever we provide in input, it will take as a string. So to enter integer or float, we have to specify by its data type. So here I am writing int input enter your age and comparing if the age is greater than or equal to 18. If the age is greater than or equal to 18, it will print you are eligible for vote. Otherwise, it will print you are not eligible for vote. So let's run the program and see the answer. So here it asks us to enter our age. So here I am entering a number 16. And it shows you are not eligible for vote because it already compared the age. 16 is not greater than 18 or equal to 18, so it print you are not eligible for vote. Let's run again and give a different number. Now I am providing 21. Here the age 21 is greater than 18, so here it prints you are eligible for vote. So I hope you guys understand that three steps: input, process and output. Before ending the video, There are some tasks for you guys to do. Here I have given you 5 questions to do. Try this task on your own. Practice is the best way to learn Python. If you completed all the tasks, comment done in the video. More Python concepts to learn. Subscribe this channel and share this video with your friends who wants to learn Python. And see you in the next video. Till then, take care and happy coding.